Hi guys, welcome back. This is part 3 of this video, talking about the Mazda Verisa ZY engine. So I finally managed to start the car yesterday. I got a sensor from my friend, the crank sensor that I was looking for, but I need to take it back. So I managed to start the engine, and you see it in the next clip. So this car, the history is it went to a certain garage for a misfire problem, but I don't know what they did. They couldn't start it anymore. They removed the cylinder head, they mistimed the engine, they swapped pipes for the fuel, and many other things. They lost the crank sensor, so the car stayed at the garage for 2 years, and they couldn't start it. That's how I talked to the owner. We towed it to my place, and from where, if you watch part 1, you see where we did the compression test, which was very low. In part 2, we did the compression test after doing the timing, and we saw some increase in the compression. Then in this clip that you're going to watch now, it's where I started the engine. So the engine was running fine, and what you need to notice is that there's some rattle noise, which is just the loose air filter housing, and some whining noise because there's no power steering fluid. So those are just the 2 things that you need to notice, but the engine in itself is running very well. I will do another compression test to see if I'll have an improvement on cylinder number 4. If you noticed in part 2 of this video, the cylinder number 4 compression was too low. It was still standing at 75 psi, but the others were at 125. The cylinder 2 and 3 were at 125. Cylinder 1 was 115. So now that it has started, I will do another video where I will now you get the actual compression for cylinder number 4. So let the engine run. So please look out for part 4 of this video series. I've done part 1, part 2, this is part 3, and I'll do part 4, which I'm hoping will be the last phase of this videos that I'm doing. So I'm taking back this sensor to my friend because I just borrowed it to start the engine. So I'll have to buy mine, then fit on the car. Then that's when I'll do the other part of the video. Hopefully you will even see the car running and moving about, just to make sure that everything is fine. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe, leave a comment. If you have any questions, feel free to leave the comments in the comment section. I'll leave the links for part 1, part 2 in the description of this video. So to my old subscribers, thank you so much for watching my videos. To my new subscribers, please keep watching my videos, tell your friends, and then thank you so much. So start. Okay, check all light. Okay. Start again.
Start again.
Off. Start again. Okay, off. Okay, so we are done. What's remaining?